Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. A record number of awards will be presented at this year's RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards ceremony to be held on Friday at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Chairman of the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation, Gary Allen, says the numbers are an indication of the quality of performances of Jamaican sportsmen and women throughout the calendar year 2022.
As everyone would be aware, we're coming back from not having had a face-to-face for 2 years now, and so we have made sure that we have accounted for and covered all the areas that we wanted to cover, and so we have a significant number of awards this year, more than we have ever had. We have gotten up to 130 plus in the past, but this year we will be handing out over 160 awards, and that we have not seen certainly since we have been, our foundation has been running these awards.
In the meantime, Chairman of the Selection Committee, Mike Fennell, is reminding the public that they have up until midday on Friday to vote for their favourite performance in the People's Choice Performance of the Year Award.
And that's an event or events that have captured the excitement and attention of the public. It's about a particular event that is spectacular and worthy of recognition by the public, and we ask the public to participate in this program by voting for their People's Choice Award.
Now, captain of the West Indies women's team, Hayley Matthews, is happy to have experienced players back ahead of their triangular T20 series involving hosts South Africa and India. The West Indians have been boosted by the return of former captain and Jamaican Stefani Taylor, as well as bowlers Shakira Selman and Shamila Connell. With the team drubbed 5-0 in their last T20 series against England, Matthews sees it as an opportunity to start a clean slate ahead of the T20 World Cup next month.
Had a couple of injuries over the last couple of months, which at the same time would have given some young players a really good opportunity. But yeah, at the same time, you know, to have the senior core back with a lot of the players coming back in from injury now, really gives us a strong team coming into a series like this. And yeah, hopefully, obviously we would have seen our batting performances and probably would have hoped that we could have gotten some more runs scored in the series that we would have played. So yeah, just hopefully as a team and hopefully as batters we can go out there and probably perform a bit better. And
the Windies women will play the first match in the Tri-Series on Saturday against the South Africans. However, the series starts tomorrow with South Africa taking on India. And that's it for your midday sports report. Ashane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Ashane Masters. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.